Hello everyone and welcome back. Over the past few weeks, I've been working on a project that combines two areas I really enjoy, 3D engineering and data maintenance analysis. The idea started with a simple observation. Usually our maintenance history records are stored in spreadsheets or databases like this one here, where we have element ID or the components we repair, the dates, the technician, and also the action performed, and several notes written by the technician containing root cause analysis and his observations. So I asked myself, what if we could connect these two items in one interface? The 3D data model and also the spreadsheets containing the maintenance records. That's what I'm going to show you in this video through a maintenance add-in that we can directly integrate with SpaceClaim, allowing maintenance data to be connected to the actual components of a 3D assembly. The add-in itself has several options. I'm gonna try to walk you through them one by one during this video. First thing first, we need to reload our data from here. Once loaded, we can click on Show Heat Map, and your equipment automatically gets colorful. These colors can be set from this button here, Advanced Settings. For example, components with no maintenance records, you can give them white color. You can also pick the other colors if you want to. For low maintenance components, you can set numbers from 1 to 2 and give them a green color. For medium components, I put here between 3 and 4 records, and I give them yellow. And for high maintenance components, over 5 records, I give them red. These numbers also are configurable, so you can change them and play with the numbers and the colors. The add-in itself comes with a predefined profiles, defaults, strict and high frequency profile. And you click on apply. You get your colors in here. For example, let's explore the first option, show history. What we need to do is click on a part or a component in your 3D data and click on show history, and you'll have the maintenance history related to that component or to that part. In here we have 5 records, and also we have technicians who worked on that part during a specific period. You can filter by period in here, and you can also filter by action. If we want to target replacements, change, grinding, cleaning, we can target one specific type of action from here. We have some important informations in here, number of interventions, also the estimated MTBF, mean time between failures, and some other important informations. And this is also can be exported via this button here into an Excel file. Another option I want to discuss is this search log button. It allows you to search in your entire maintenance record for a phenomena or a part or technician or action. For example, if I want to search for a guide bush, I have 12 records returned out of 291 record match. And also I can filter by action and by technician or by date range in a specific period. Another thing you can do is you can also open this part we're searching on, this one of them. For example, if I click on this one, guide wash 3, and I click on open parts in a new window, the options I have either to open the part alone or to open it in his first level assembly or second level assembly. Let's try this first level assembly. Click on OK, and it shows you your part in here. One of the best options I love the most about it is this heat map matrix. Once clicked, let's try to, okay, this heat map matrix return all the elements in your maintenance record. You can group them by month, by week, and by year. For example, if I try by year, and you can see parts with low maintenance, medium maintenance, and high maintenance frequency. This is really useful if you want to do a spare parts analysis, for example, for inventory, or how much money did you spend on your spare parts during a specific period. So it's really helpful for this type of analysis. You can search, let's try to search for guide bush. We have them here. We have guide bush 1, 2, 3, and if you click this one, it gives you also the option to view it alone. Let's try this one. This is our part. As for failure intervals, we have them here. These failure intervals also can be configured in here with like critical failures, components that last only 1 day, up to weak reliability, acceptable reliability, and high reliability. You can also change these colors in here, and also you can export them into an Excel file for better analysis. Yeah, that's it. We have other buttons like this statistical report. It gives you a HTML file containing containing a statistical split of your maintenance record. What are the components we replace most, etc. If we scroll down a little bit,